Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I will be sharing my general investments account. If you've seen my video from earlier in the week, I shared my stocks and shares, ISA, as well as my SIP that I hold with Vanguard, as well as a separate private pension that I hold with my employer. Today's video I'll be focusing on my general investment accounts. Hey guys, welcome to Budget with a July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and on this channel I talk all things personal finance. If these topics interest you, then do not forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and let's get right into it. So I have my trusted mobile here, and I'll start off first with Freetrade, where I have one of my general investments accounts. So as you can see on the front page, it's the portfolio. I currently have 105 pounds and 57 pence. So this is up £12.57 since I started investing with them, and I believe I started this back in June or July. So if you look at the front page, I do have Deliveroo, because first of all I do a bit of side hustle with Deliveroo, and secondly I order through Deliveroo quite a lot, so I thought every single time when I make an order with them I would do some sort of investment. So with Deliveroo at the moment I only have 6 shares, so this is worth £3.86. So not really much going on with this general investment. Again, so I've had an increase here. I don't actually have £3.86. I do have about £23.17. So that's 6 shares that I have, and I've gained 30.07% since I started investing. So the share prices is quite low, so only £2.96 at the moment, and I've done lots of investments with this. So but the first time I bought 4 shares, second time I bought 2 shares, and I've been trying to stay away from ordering too much, so this is why I haven't added in much money since I started trading on Freetrade. So you will notice that this is a general investment account because my stocks and shares ISA I hold with Vanguard. So this is not doing too bad. I love seeing the greens more than the reds. And then going back to the main page, I have real estate. That one I have 4 shares as well, up 6.30%. So I have £21.93 in real estate. So my investment, like I said, I have 4 shares, and I've made £1.30 so far on the investments that I put in since I started investing, and that was back in June. And then the other one is UK commercial property. I'm up by 5.87%. S&P 500 3.5%. Royal Mail is actually down. I've been actually noticing the Royal Mail has been going down over the last couple of weeks, but again, I'm just playing around with the stocks that I've picked on in my general investment account. So Royal Mail, I've got 3 shares, and again I'm not bothered the fact that this has gone down. Sorrento Therapeutics, I have 1 share. This was a free share after I used Anna from Panda Boss. Anna, I used her link, and this is the free share that I got. If you're interested in getting a free share as well, I will leave my link in the description bar below. So this is to give you a free share if you sign up using my link. You don't have to, you can go directly to Freetrade, but if you wanted to, I have the link in all of my videos. So we go to insights. I literally just have stocks in here. I don't really have much in there. I do have a little bit of cash, but it's like a pound or less, something like that. Then there's this discover page if you wanted to see what else they had and you were interested in investing in more stocks and what have you. Then the activity page, obviously this just gives you an activity of what's happening with your account. And then at the bottom is the account. Like I said, this is a general investment account. That's what GIA stands for. I do have £1.83 available to invest. I don't know what I want to do with that, so right now it's just sitting in there. I haven't linked up any accounts. I haven't linked my bank or anything. I use Apple Pay when I want to add money to Freetrade. So yeah, I am okay with the progress that this is making. Again, I only signed up at the end of June and I've only put in about £80 or thereabouts, so this is good progress. So from here we'll move over to Plum. So with Plum we'll go to the investments. So this is also another general investment account that I have, and here I invest in 3 funds. So the Tech Giants Fund, European Essentials Fund, and the American Dream Fund. So the American Dream Fund is my newest fund. I only started investing in this recently. So at the moment I have £167.37. So earnings of £7.27, which is a return of 4.54%. Again, I literally only opened this a couple of months back, to be honest, and it's a Vanguard fund. So it's a US equity index fund, which I am not too bothered about, to be honest, but yeah, I'm just trying to see how everything goes with this one. So when was my first, yeah, so 27th of May was the first time I deposited money in this account, and it was the day that I opened this fund, not the entire account. So that's what I have in the American Dream. And then European Essentials, I have £327.75 and 34.25 return in earnings, which is 11.6%. And so this fund is a Vanguard FTSE Developed Europe X UK Equity Index Fund accumulation, and I started investing in this one since September last year. So it's doing pretty well, and you will see, like, I only put in small amounts. These small amounts are all coming from savings from my general spending. So what this Plum app does, it's round up all my spending, and then every Wednesday it moves money from my account into this Plum app. And when it does that, it has rules that it follows in the app that I have set up. So I have rules where I'm like, okay, 25% of whatever you round up from my general spending, put it towards investments, 25% put towards savings, and all of that jazz. So that's what I have there. So yeah, I'm happy with that one. So another Vanguard fund. And then this one, Tech Giants, I think this is a legal and general one. So I have 355.62 pence, and I've gained £64.41, which is a 22.12% return. So with this one, I have been a member since 12th of August last year. So 2020 is when I bought this fund, and as you can see, I've put in a lot more money than I actually have. And I mentioned this in my last general updates video, which I'll link up above and put in the description bar below, that I actually withdrew from this account as well, so that I can buy other funds on other platforms. So this is why what I've deposited in does not actually link up with what I currently have, because I did make some sell early this year, or even end of last year, I can't remember, to buy something else. So yeah, so this is what I have in this general investments account with Plum, and right now there's 850.74 pence. I've gained £105.93, and this is all from my change. This is not me actively putting money into these investments. It's literally from my everyday spending. It's rounded up, then it's sent to this app, and then it gets invested, and it's as simple as that. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. And then I do have other general investments that I have, but I will show you what I have in Crowdcube. So with this one, it actually is just crowdfunding. So I invested £100 in Coconut and £100 in Emma. So these two companies are companies that, so Emma is an app that I use, links to my bank. I am able to track my net worth. I'm able to save money by the recommendations that they provide. You know, maybe I'm paying too much for my electricity, they recommend another company and all of that jazz. So I really love that. And then Coconut is what I'm thinking is going to be a really huge one, especially as we are having more and more entrepreneurs coming on the scene. So Coconut is a little bit like the app that I use for self-employed, so QuickBooks. So it's really similar in that, you know, you will use that for your doing your taxes, doing your invoices and what have you, and this is why I decided to invest in that company. So other than that, I do have other investments, but again, Equate Mobile is the one with my employer, so I'm not going to show you that. But I think that is it in terms of my general investments. I'm really happy with the progress that I have. Again, because I have stocks and shares ISA, I'm not really paying too much attention to what is currently happening in this general investment account. You know, your general investment account are accounts that you invest in, but with the knowledge that you have to pay tax on any gains that you have after a certain threshold, obviously. So your general investment account are not like your ISA, which are tax wrappers, whereby, you know, you invest your after tax money and you don't get taxed up to £20,000 that you invest in every financial year. But then your general investment account, they're not tax wrappers. After a certain threshold, I think it's £2,000, you have to start paying. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell so you'll be made aware of when I make new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.